Hi everyone, I hope you all had a lovely Christmas day. Today I've come along to Hickling, so let's walk down to the end of the dyke and have a look and see what's happening down there. I've called it a dyke, but it might be a stave, I'm not sure. So we're at the end now, and those houseboats there on the left belong to Whispering Reeds, and their boatyard is right beside where I'm standing. Hickling Broad is far larger than you can actually see from my video. It's 1,500 acres. That's Hickling Sailing Club. And they have a webcam as well, so if you look that up, you'll be able to see what's happening. Now we have the Broads Authority. I don't know if they're dredging or doing some sort of work over there. Let's have a look. So what do you all think? What do you reckon they're doing? I don't know such things. Looks great fun though. Now this area here with a couple of benches, that's where I normally go and film Hickling Broad from. And I sit right on the end of that quay heading. Sometimes put my camera on the end, and as the sand looks, it's like a beached area. And you've got this spectacular view. In the summer evening, it's just absolutely wonderful. According to Wikipedia, Hickling Broad is one of the largest expanses of open water in East Anglia. It's managed by the Norfolk Wildlife Trust. There's one of the workboats coming along, so I'm just going to stand here and just wait for it to get closer. I'll wait for this boat to moor up now, and then we can have a good look at it. There's a beautiful thatched boat shed. Now I think it might be used as a holiday home because I've seen people in there. Some of you will recognise that building on the right as the Pleasure Boat Inn pub. And it's been closed for quite a while now for renovation. Here you are, you can see the boat more closely now. I think we'd all like to go on there, wouldn't we? What do we fancy, the ranger boat or that workboat? What do you reckon? Let me know in the comments. It's just dropped 2 workers off and it's now turning around and going back. So there's Whispering Reed's Boatyard, and one of the houseboats has been taken to it to have some work done through the winter, and then the others will follow on. I've just seen a kingfisher fly between these 2 boats here. He was far too quick for me. Here is very popular with stand-up paddleboarders, canoeists, and even windsurfing out on the main Broad. Now obviously I'm still looking for the kingfisher, and these 2 have just come along. Well, I think that's about it from me today. The light's beginning to fade, so it's probably time I thought about going home. Thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And until the next time, it's bye for now. Take care.